Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 47th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have covered gateways in Power BI services and its types. And now in today's class, we will introduce about one more feature of Power BI services, which name is schedule refresh. So firstly, we will understand what is schedule refresh. So guys, schedule refresh means we can set up multiple intervals and timings to get data refresh in our source. So let's understand this concept with practical. So guys, I have taken one Excel file here which name is sample Excel. So here is the data source guys, and now let me log in new Power BI desktop. And now I will extract the data. So here is the sample Excel file guys. Click this checkbox and load. And let's go to the dataset guys. So we can see here we have only 4 records. Now I will take one pie chart visual and drag and drop product as well as sale. And now I will also take one card visual and drag and drop this sales column here. So here total sale is 10k. And now let me publish this report into Power BI services. So go to the home tab guys and publish this report. Click on save. So guys, let me save this file into desktop. So let's say this file name is product and save. And I want to publish this report into Shubham Workspace. So let me click on Shubham Workspace and select. And now go to the Power BI services. So here is the report guys, which name is product. Let me click on this report. So guys, now let's move toward the data source and let me change few records from here. So let me add few more records here. Let's say chocolate, which sale is 5000, milk, which sale is 2000. And let me delete this third record. So guys, we have done few changes in our source setting. So let me close this and move towards the Power BI desktop. So guys, let me refresh this page. So guys, we can see our records has updated. And if I go to the Power BI services, and now if I click on refresh button here, so guys, we can see here is no change in our records. Figures are still same, no change in our report. If our data is changing frequently guys in our source settings or deletion or addition any records, in that case schedule refresh option is very useful guys, because it will automatically refresh the data into your source, and that updated entries we can also see in our reports. Suppose if someone connected to SQL server or any other server guys, their data will keep changing. So if you apply schedule refresh here in Power BI services, you don't need to refresh every time. It will automatically refresh with the help of schedule refresh. So now let's understand how do we set up schedule refresh in Power BI services. So let's go to the My Workspace guys and click on this Shubham Workspace. And here is the dataset guys, and click on schedule refresh. So here we can see the gateway connection guys, which we have studied in previous class. So for setting schedule refresh, here gateway connection is required. Without gateways, we can't apply schedule refresh. So here we can see guys, the schedule button option is disabled now, because we haven't selected any gateways here. So let me click on gateway connection first. So guys, you need to click this small circle button, because sometimes this button is not checked. Now I have to edit this credential first before applying schedule refresh. So I need to simply click here and select organization in privacy level setting. So I have selected organization and click on sign in. So guys, we have successfully installed the data source credential. Now go to the schedule refresh. So guys, for enabling this option, you need to click on this toggle button. And now you can see the refresh frequency. So let me click on this drop down. So under refresh frequency setting guys, you can set up the frequency. Only two options are here, weekly and daily. So let me click on daily first. And from here guys, you can also change the time zone setting. And now comes to the add another time. So let me click on this add another time. So you guys can add multiple timings here. So let me make add more time here guys. So in this way guys, you can add multiple timings. So guys, I can only set up 8 intervals in a day. And if you observe here, here is no option to add more timings. Because I am pro license user guys, so I cannot set up more than 8 intervals in a day. And you guys can set multiple timings here. So I will set here 2 p.m. That means every 2 p.m. our data will get auto refresh. And here I will set 4 p.m. So in this way guys, you can add multiple timings. So these are the frequency guys which you can set to refresh our data. So guys, whatever the frequency I have mentioned here, data get refreshed on that particular intervals. And we don't need to do anything manually. And whatever entries I have added on source, it will reflect you guys after this particular timings. That means your data get will refresh after 2 p.m. After that, your data will get refreshed after 4 p.m. In this way, whatever the timings you have set, your data will get refreshed. So guys, in this way, we can use this powerful feature which name is schedule refresh in Power BI services. I hope guys you are clear with the concept of schedule refresh and why it is required and how it is useful. So for more updates, you guys can follow this channel and please share with those who really want to learn Power BI from scratch. And don't forget to press bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us. Thank you so much guys.